There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT in diamond black crystal pearl. With BI-XENON HID projector headlamps, LED fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Brembo front brakes, adaptive cruise control with stop, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 37,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, select track system, heated rear seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number LF1000.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.